Paul, and I'm a Writing Center tutor here at SJSU. Welcome to today's workshop on body paragraphs. For this workshop, you won't need anything else other than a pen or a pencil and a couple sheets of paper. With that in mind, let's get started. The general structure of an essay is introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. As a refresher, body paragraphs are the meat of your argument. When writing body paragraphs, make sure you have a couple things in mind. Make sure that the topic sentence is clear and ties back to your thesis, and that all the information you're providing goes to support your point. This information can be quotes, statistics, or examples, and it is advisable that you explain why they're important. Additionally, you want to write a conclusion for your paragraph. Next, we'll be looking at what all these things mean in detail. The first point is a topic sentence. This sentence should basically encapsulate one of the points you made in your thesis. For example, if in your thesis you stated that chocolate is a healthy food because it lowers blood pressure, increases brain cognition, and stabilizes your metabolism, then your topic sentence will be about any one of these 3 points. Supporting details can be collected from peer-reviewed papers, journals, statistic charts, books, and even personal experience. You also need to provide an explanation for said quotes and supporting details. This is your chance to show you understand the information and to clarify any confusing terminology. Tell the reader why this is significant for your argument. Lastly, you need a conclusion and a transition. Wrap up all the information you discussed in your paragraph and tie it back to your thesis. Then, make a transition to lead into the next paragraph, and it's rinse and repeat. An easy way to visualize the structure of a body paragraph is with an inverting triangle. You start off broad with your main topic sentence, and then you narrow down into your specific details and quotes. This should all lead to your conclusion, which will pretty much sum up this point of your argument in this paragraph. Okay, after all this information you've had to digest, I still hope you have enough room for dessert, because up next, we'll be looking at pie. P, point, the first thing your reader will see, your main topic. I, information, the actual flavor of the paragraph, all the points in the information you're going to want your reader to taste. And the explanation, what actually holds this treat together. Tell the reader why this information matters and how it relates back to your point. Okay, now that we've gone through all that banquet of information, let's try cooking our own meals. Get your writing materials and paper out, and let's take a look at this paragraph. You will need to try to unscramble this mess. First, try to identify the topic sentence and the supporting details. Pause the video and work on it until you have an answer. Back? Okay, let's see what you have. If it looks like this, then good job. If not, no worries. We have another challenge set up for you. For this task, you should label all the parts of a body paragraph. So, the topic sentence, supporting details, the explanation, significance, and the conclusion. Again, give this video a pause and give it a try. Okay, not too bad, was it? Let's take a look at what the answers are. If you got all these right, then you're on the right track to understanding body paragraphs. If not, do not be discouraged. Keep practicing, and you can always ask us here at the Writing Center. Thank you so much for coming to today's workshop on body paragraphs. It was a pleasure working with you, and I hope that after this, you have a better idea on what to do with your body paragraphs. You can always improve on your writing skills, and that is why the Writing Center is here. You're more than welcome to book appointments with our tutors or use our Ask a Live Tutor function on our website. You can find us and our resources at sjsu.edu/writing center. Be sure to follow our social media pages posted down below. Once again, thank you so much for coming, and I hope you have a great day.